Hey darlings, hi. It's Mary White, the Cooking with Cannabis lady, and this is another one of our videos on cannabis and health. Today, well, first of all, I'm going to introduce you to a great friend of mine, and then we're going to make a really cool recipe. It's garbanzo bean brownies, and don't freak out, they're really delicious. The other side of today, aside from the brownies, is massage therapy with cannabis topicals. And to talk about that and to help me make brownies is Jen Chan. Da da da! It's Jen, everybody.
Hi.
Now, note Jen Chan Massage. Yeah, and Jen, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Well, I'm a massage therapist. I've been massaging for about 14 years. So I massage and I also teach a massage therapist about cannabis. Cannabis 101.
Well, yeah, and tell us about that. Like, massage therapists, you're not teaching them how to roll a joint.
No. We're teaching them the rules and regulations of the cannabis topicals, what we can and cannot use, cannot touch, rules and boundaries.
Okay.
Just science, so we know what's going on.
Well, we got to hear more about that. And more than that, girl, I want to find out like a quick, easy thing that pretty much anybody could do. I mean, because a lot of us, you don't have an hour to get naked and lay down on the table, get all massaged. But maybe there's a little something.
Self-massage or stretching.
Yeah.
Or, one of those machines, one of those therapy guns.
Things.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll figure all that out.
Okay.
And honestly, you guys, cooking with cannabis, it is grandma medicine. I always mention this to people because, a lot of us, because of prohibition and stuff, people don't know about how to use cannabis. And in reality, we've been doing it for thousands and thousands of years, millennia, right? So these recipes don't have to be complicated or esoteric. It's basically, it's a vegan recipe if you use an egg substitute. And if not, it's just gloriously vegetarian. So I've got 1 can of drained garbanzo beans. Drain them because you don't want a spongy brownie. A couple of eggs. Now, if you're being a vegan person, you want to use your egg substitute, okay? And then, Jen, can you grab that cocoa powder for me, hon? I love that you knew that's what that was. And just dump that in there. Cool. Look, good dumping. Okay, I'll do the sugar. Okay, and hang on, I have to read the recipe. Yeah, the one that my kid sent me, well, obviously, the thing about cooking with cannabis, let's just say, is that you do have to really be aware of the flavor, right? So you can't just blithely dump pot butter in things. It doesn't work that way. So this one I had to do a lot of playing.
Okay.
And for me, like with chocolate and cannabis, I find that a lot of times cinnamon will really sort of, disguise.
Yep.
Sometimes lemon is good, orange. I'm just telling you guys, you need a lot of flavor to overcome the cannabis. Notice how I very carefully measure these spices. Oh, yes. Isn't it good?
It is.
I'm adamant about salt in baked goods because they can get really too sweet, and be weird. Now, the most important thing about this is the cannabis oil. Now, this isn't oil from the cannabis plant. Obviously, this is infused olive oil, but 3 tablespoons. Now, in my, the way I do it is it comes out to 100 milligrams of THC per gram that you use. So, long story, this will be about 150 milligrams if you ate all the brownies. And then, this is so difficult. Oh no! Sugar and chocolate.
I can't wait to. I love garbanzo beans, but I've never tried brownie.
I know, it's so weird.
Yeah,
There. Okay. Now, the rest of the recipe is just for flavor. So I got nuts, toasted, always toast your nuts, gentlemen and ladies. I just like saying toast your nuts. Because I'm 12. Chocolate chips. Now, I'm not whizzing these because I don't want them to get, broken up. So I'm just going to do a little of this. Okay, now, the trick with these is you got to kind of put your finger in there to hold the blade. Okay, so get all that in there. This is a 9x9 pan, and I've prepared it with a lot of pan spray and some parchment paper. And you guys probably, if you deal with parchment paper, you know it's a pain in the butt because it always stays curled up. But if you put in your pan spray before the parchment, it'll make the parchment stick. And then you won't have to get frustrated. Almost done. Now your official job, Miss Massage Therapist, is to distribute the white chocolate chips over the top. Rock those chocolate chips, baby. I can tell you're a good massage therapist because look how you're doing that. So evenly and perfectly. That makes me happy. Oh, yes. Oh, I love that. I love that. Perfect. Oh, round of freaking applause right there, sister. And with baked stuff, do that. We'll get any air bubbles out. So, 29 minutes, 30 minutes. So we'll do that. And then when it comes out, while it's still warm, again, that salt is important. So I use a little bit of Malvin sea salt. It's got big flakes, but just a little on the top. So then you're not just eating sweet, you know? We're going to the table. Okay, here we go. Ooh, should I take off all my clothes?
No.
I'm not gonna. So I'm gonna get my handy dandy chair massage, table massage from Jen. But she's also gonna show us some great stretches and stuff that we can do because I don't know about you all, but we're all sort of stuck in front of the computer a lot these days and things are kind of funky. And actually I wanted to get naked, but everyone vetoed it. So we're gonna do this instead, okay? So what do you need me to do?
So this is a travel mate. So this is basically the top part of a chair massage. And Mary was asking about the most accessible massage possible. So in my opinion, this is it. Because you don't need to remove all your clothes if you don't feel comfortable or if you just don't have time.
Okay.
I don't have to set up a big chair or anything. You don't need that much space. I just need a table and just free to lean forward.
Okay.
Just lean on forward.
Okay. Get the boobies on up here. And,
Mm-hmm.
oh, hello. Oh.
Mm-hmm. And then
Oh.
there, this is where I can start massaging with.
Oh, Jen. Oh, God, you're my new best friend. Oh.
And you do your shoulder
Oh.
blades.
Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus.
Stretching those shoulder blades out, going up and down the
Oh.
spine.
Oh, my God.
And then, of course, my favorite part,
Oh.
the chair massage the neck.
Oh. Tell me if I make too much noise,
Make
but
fun.
God.
Especially now
Oh.
with everyone at home and on the computer.
Yeah.
A lot of neck, shoulder, upper back. So I'm always
Oh.
telling everyone, you gotta really stretch it out
Uh-huh.
and try to get a massage.
Yeah.
And most ideal is one time a month.
Okay.
With, time and money.
Uh-huh.
It's most ideal.
Oh.
But stretching you should do every single day.
Okay. So, oh, God. You know, some massages, they're not, you don't feel it. But damn, girl, you got like Iron Maiden hands or some shit. This is incredible.
I don't massage skin, I massage muscles.
Oh,
I personally do have a firmer touch.
yeah.
I like to dig. My personal favorite is, massage on the table. The deeper the better. Elbows, forearms, and even shiatsu, which is, massage with feet.
Oh, what? Like you stand on somebody with your feet?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how? Do you stand on their butt?
On their whole entire body.
Oh.
And just use the feet to do what I'm doing, like what I'm doing with my hands. But it gets way deeper.
Oh.
I'm using less of my arm.
Oh, yeah. Can you feel the herniated discs?
I'm feeling tension in the back.
You think?
Yep, definitely a lot of tension in the back. Muscles are tight.
Mm-hmm. Well, I either need to get some really heavy-duty workouts in or some heavy-duty sex. Maybe both.
But just think, the muscles that go up and down the spine, those help you stand up straight.
Yeah.
And as we are on the computer, we start leaning forward.
Right.
All this right here.
Mm-hmm.
People start having headaches, migraines, even, pain going down the shoulders and down the arms.
Uh-huh.
It's all because of muscle tension.
Oh, tension. I don't have any now. Oh, God. Oh, whoa. Oh. my brain is like, oh, we should proceed to the stretching part of the segment. And my body's going, no. Oh, girl. Oh, wow.
You just gotta lean on forward, back.
How do you feel?
Surprisingly good.
Yeah, and just that quick because we do so much.
Yeah.
So much. Our shoulders start going up, and so it's kind of.
I had no idea that was, because I don't work like a lot of people are in an office and stuff. I don't do, but
But you're in front of a kitchen. You're cooking with all your hands in front of you. That's still
you're right.
all this. Cameraman's got the camera. That's all this.
Cameraman.
You can basically stretch your toes. Go back bend almost. Lift your arms up. Do you feel that?
Wait, hang
You
on.
have to lean.
Oh, onto the chair. Oh, I was gonna fall.
So lean back
Okay.
because we're always leaning forward.
Oh,
That
yeah.
Stretches all that the pec out.
Oh.
Deep breath when you're stretching. That's one.
Whew.
And another one that I like is a side stretch. So I would take your right hand and grab your left knee as much as you can. And then take your left arm and stretch over to the side as much as you can. Do you feel that side stretch all over here?
Oh my goodness. Oh, and then the other side, the little fat globules are all stuck together. That's awesome.
That's okay. And
Oh,
then when you're ready,
woo!
the other side. Grab that
This is so
and
good.
stretch over.
Oh,
Hold on to all of this,
oh,
right?
I feel like a ballerina. Woo! Oh, woo! Hello, ribcage. Wow.
And then another one I do while you're sitting there is also just twist. You can twist the spine. That's all.
Twist. Oh. But even that helps. So if you were sitting at your desk at about 2, 3 in the afternoon, this would be the thing.
Yes.
Oh, even just that, Jen.
Just the stretches are good because we're so stuck in the
Yeah.
in the computer. I know a lot of offices when we were allowed to go to the office did provide chair massage to their employees just for a quick 10 minutes. It makes a big difference.
Well, now and things are starting to open up. So if someone wanted you to come to their office, you do that,
Oh
right?
yeah, I come to people's offices. I go to people's events, I go to people's homes, wherever my chamber or chair will fit. I will go massage.
You guys got that, right?
If you book me, I will come massage.
If you book her, she will arrive. You guys, I want to say something really, sprightly and encouraging, but I'm very relaxed. I had no idea. If you want to know more about Chaba, about massage with hemp or CBD or anything, Jen Chan Massage. And if you guys have any questions about anything we've done today, I'm here for you. It's Mary at maryjwhite.com. But really thank you for watching. And you're so freaking awesome. Ooh, Jen, seriously, you guys, hook it up. See you later.
Okay, so I got so relaxed with Jen. I forgot to show you the garbanzo bean brownies. I was gonna do the thing where you take it out and show people, but I made them 2 days ago and I ate half of them. So here's the brownies. But this is what I want you all to see. There's no flour, right? But you break them open and they look, and they see the little nuts and the good. Oh, Jen wants some. Oh, Garrett wants some. There you go, buddy. So you guys, garbanzo bean brownies. Delicious. Are they good?
I've never got garbanzo bean.
Yum.
Wow. That's great.
There you go.